Greetings from my 2023 Hyundai Elantra N with the manual transmission. Just quick video to show you the RPMs on the highway at speed. I'll go ahead and kick it up just a little bit here so you can get an idea. So you can hear the engine, but there's no drone or anything like that. I've got the exhaust in the quiet mode at the moment. It does get a bit louder when you switch it over. You switch it to not a whole lot louder, just a little bit louder. And in custom mode, when I hit the gas a little bit, it's a lot quieter. Should slow down a little bit. I don't know where there's going to be a cop. So definitely, let's see, compared to my other two cars, it's a lot lower than the Versa at speed, but it does have a little bit more engine noise, which you'd expect on a sporty car. And then it's a lot higher than that in my BMW. Of course, that has an 8-speed, and it's kind of geared for fuel economy on the highway. Probably ought to hold that closer there. So anyway, just a quick highway cruise in the Elantra. Tire noise, you know, there's a bit of tire noise, but you would expect that given the type of tires that come with this. What are they? The Sport Cup tires, definitely summer tires. Not designed to really last very long or be quiet, but they are designed to grip. Alright, that's it. That was just basically to show you the RPMs on the highway and make a few comments. Have a great day.